Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we'll be taking a quick look at the ASRock B450M Steel Legend motherboard. Now for a short message. This video is made possible thanks to ASRock, makers of mainstream and enthusiast motherboards. Get yours now via the affiliated links in the description down below, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for your attention and enjoy the video. This motherboard comes in a micro ATX format and features the AMD B450 chipset, suitable for all of the AMD Ryzen processors in the AM4 socket. It comes with two M.2 slots for your SSDs, a PCIe steel slot for your graphics card, as well as 4 DDR4 DIMM slots supporting speeds of up to 3466. It also features gigabit LAN, a USB 3.1 Gen 1, as well as USB 3.1 Gen 2, both the A-type and the C-type. Not to mention the 7.1 HD audio, as well as the polychrome RGB from ASRock. According to ASRock, their Steel Legend series offer great stability as well as stunning aesthetics for your RGB lighting. It comes with premium 60 amp power chokes as well as 100% Japanese capacitors to give you that extra stability. Let's put this in our test rig and see how it performs. Before that, let's do a quick unboxing and then we'll see you later. Alright, let's do a quick unboxing. Inside the box we have a driver disc, Steel Legend postcard, the manual, instruction manual, some SATA cables, 2 M.2 screws, there's a software guide, and also a I/O shield. Alright, so look at the motherboard. Here we have the ASRock B450M Steel Legend motherboard, suitable for all of the AMD Ryzen CPUs in the AM4 socket. It comes with a nice design with a grey and black, as well as a nice matte finish. Let's start off with the DDR4 DIMM slots right here. You get 4 of them. Supports memory speeds of up to 3566. Alright, let's have a look at the SATA ports. We have 4 of them there, right here, at the bottom. And M.2 slots here and also at the bottom right here, so we'll get 2. Alright, okay. PCIe steel slots right here. So you can have a crossfire setup as well. Again, with the RGB connector at the bottom here to give you that RGB, polychrome RGB from ASRock. Okay, let's have a look at the I/O panel right here. So we have USB 2 as well as PS2 keyboard and mouse, display port and HDMI. You get USB 3.1 Gen 1, USB 3.1 Gen 2, and also a USB-C connector right here. Then you get the gigabit LAN port right here, as well as an array audio connectors. It's got this nice hood that covers the I/O shielding here, and it believes it's got the RGB colors here and also here. So this is a pretty good compact micro ATX form factor. You can fit in most cases, and it's suitable for most gaming setups. So let's put this in our test rig and see how it performs in our tests. So we'll see you later. So in conclusion, I have to say the high build quality and great aesthetics as well as the steadfast stability is pretty evident on the ASRock B450M Steel Legend motherboard. This is all thanks to the 2-ounce copper PCB, premium 60 amp power chokes, triple XL aluminium alloy heatsinks, the Nichicon 12K black caps and the high density glass fiber PCB, all of which are hallmarks of ASRock Steel Legend series. The B450M Steel Legend pairs nicely with our AMD Ryzen 5 2600X. It produced some pretty decent scores in all of our benchmarks, with a score of 5,768 in PC Mark and 6,201 in 3D Mark Time Spy. And when it comes to features, the ASRock B450M Steel Legend has plenty, so much so I can't even list them all. But to name a few, it comes with dual M.2 slots for your SSDs, 6 USB 3.1 Gen 1, 2 USB 3.1 Gen 2, both the A-type and the C-type, PCIe steel slot, Gigabyte LAN, DisplayPort and HDMI, as well as 7.1 HD audio. It also supports memory speeds of up to DDR4 3533, AMD Quad Crossfire, as well as, of course, the polychrome RGB. What makes this motherboard really attractive is the great aesthetics and design. It does have a gaming feel to it, and yes, the I/O hood and heatsink on the chipset does have the RGB LEDs. All in all, the ASRock B450M Steel Legend is a feature-packed micro ATX motherboard that offers decent performance, excellent build quality, great aesthetics and steadfast stability. If you want to build a Ryzen-based micro ATX gaming system, then take a closer look at this motherboard. For more information, you can check out the review on our website at funkykit.com. And there you have it. This is the ASRock B450M Steel Legend motherboard, suitable for all of the AMD Ryzen CPUs in the AM4 socket. It's a nice compact motherboard in a micro ATX format, suitable for all gaming setups and offering good performance. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. You can actually buy this via the links in the description, and of course don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.